Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your video preferences in Crunchyroll. It's a pretty straightforward process and all you have to do is make sure you've downloaded your Crunchyroll app and logged into your Crunchyroll account. Once you've done that, if you launch Crunchyroll, you will have a screen something like this. Now, we can see that there are recommendations for us. For example, top picks for you and Crunchyroll Game Vault is the new premium feature. So if you want to change the recommendations for you, you can change your video preferences and that can be done by going to account section at the bottom right corner. Just click on it. Now there is video preferences option right on the this Dikpal regime's viewing preferences, and it is set to English for audio for language, and for subtitles it is set to English as well, and the mature content is turned to off. If you want to shake this settings up, just toggle this to on, and you're gonna need to enter your account password in order to change the maturity section. Again, for language, you can simply go and select the language, no need for entering password. Same for subtitles. Alright, once you've changed these settings, your home screen will feature the video preferences set by you in this section. Alright, now you know how to change your video preferences in Crunchyroll so that your top picks will be best resembling to your own interests. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing video preferences in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.